Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to discuss NFTs and I'm going to try my best to explain to you guys what are they, how are they created, and what are they actually used for. So kicking off this discussion, NFTs or non-fungible tokens are digital non-fungible assets, and I'll explain every single one. So an asset is pretty much an item of property of a person or a company that has a value. So for example, if you own a house, then some real estate agent can appraise the house and that's its value. If you check your wallet and you have some money, then that's pretty much its value. And anybody could confirm if you have $5 in your pocket that it's universally known the value of that money in your pocket is $5. The next one, if it's digital, so pretty much a digital item is any item that it's online and it's not physical. So for example, if you compare two type of currencies, so for example the dollar versus cryptocurrency Bitcoin. So a dollar, you could own it, you could touch it, you could have it in your pocket, you could give it to somebody else physically and you have no problem. But for example, a Bitcoin is a digital currency, so you physically cannot hold it or touch it. It's stocked online on a blockchain. And the last one, non-fungible, that pretty much means in a broad sense that it's unique. So for example, the best way I could explain a non-fungible item is pretty much pieces of art, right? You could take the Mona Lisa, for example, or any well-known art piece, and it has a ginormous value and historical importance. You cannot swap that for a, let's say, printed copy on Amazon. That means that the non-fungible means that it's unique. So fungible items are pretty much any type of currency, right? So if you take a dollar, you could swap it with any type of dollar, or you could divide it into many cents. So how are these things created? And not to go into great detail, but most of these are created into Ethereum blockchain, and that pretty much is a code that stays forever in the blockchain saying that this particular person owns this NFT, which is really, if you think about it, this is the best way to have a certificate of authenticity, because nobody could falsify it, forge it, destroy it, or anything. Once you bought a particular NFT, it would be stored on the blockchain and nobody could change it. So everybody would know the exact time you bought it, the amount you bought it, and from what person you actually bought it. So it has a lot of power when it comes to people having a certificate of authenticity for a particular NFT. What are NFTs actually used for? So pretty much anything that's digital, if you think about it. So you could have a drawing, a music, a video. Whatever thing you want, you have digitally, you could create an NFT for it because it's attached to a contract, a blockchain contract. So if you think about this, the art and music industry would benefit a lot from this type of technology, because most artists tend to go through a specific record label or a specific gallery, and it's quite hard to be discovered, and these labels or galleries charge ginormous fees or they take big cuts, and most artists kind of struggle because of this. But through this method, they could put out their art in the world, and if there's a market for it, people would pay good money to actually own this art piece. I mean, I'm quite sure you guys seen quite a few, I guess, stories online about people and his like over 60 million. And the last one is, I never saw these type of NFTs. Where can I check them? So I've been doing a bit of buying and selling of NFTs on the side just because I think it's fun and I would really love to support specific artists. But if you want to start out and learn a bit more, then just I think go to Nifty Gateways or OpenSea or Rarible. These are really big marketplaces with a lot of well-known artists, and see if there's anything you guys like or how it works and try it out. Thank you so much, guys, for your patience and your time, and have a great day.